In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset a forgotten Gmail password. We all know that moment of panic when you can't remember your password, but don't worry, I've got you covered. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser and navigate to g.co recover. This is your go-to page for Gmail account recovery. Once you're there, you'll encounter a prompt asking you to input the Gmail address you want to recover. It's crucial to type your email address carefully, as even a small typo can delay the process. After entering your email address, click Next. This action will bring you to the account recovery page, where you will see several options for verifying your identity. If you're scratching your head trying to remember your password, look for a link that says, "Try another way." This is especially useful if you don't have immediate access to other recovery options like your phone number. One of the fastest paths to recovering your account is through your recovery email. Google will send a 6-digit code to this email address associated with your account. Make sure you have access to this secondary email, as it's your safety net in situations like these. Head to your recovery emails inbox and keep an eye out for Google's email containing the code. Sometimes this email can end up in your spam or promotions folder, so make sure to check those spots too. Once you've found the email, return to the recovery page and enter the code carefully where prompted. This step is crucial for proving to Google that you really are the owner of the account. Now that you've entered the right code and it's verified successfully, Google will allow you to move forward to the next critical step, creating a new password. When creating your new password, aim for something secure yet memorable. A robust password usually combines letters, numbers, and symbols. And if you're worried about remembering it, consider using a password manager to safely store your passwords. After setting your new password, take a brief moment to write it down or securely save it to avert any future headaches. And just like that, you've successfully reset your Gmail password and regained access to your account. Always remember, keeping your recovery options updated and within reach is a savvy choice to simplify this process if you ever need to do it again. Thank you for joining me in this walkthrough. If you found the guide helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Until next time, take care.